Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, team with Irvin. Today is February 14, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we're going to be reviewing our pre-week video, which we're going to be analyzing Euro-Usd, GBP-USD, and AUD-USD. In case you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below. All our video here on our channels are completely free. We don't charge anything. The only system that we use here is our triple arrow system, which is a paid system. So if you want to grab it, the link is below, and where we're going to be giving you $20 cash back. Okay, just wanted to make sure I cleared that up. Just a disclaimer for everyone, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of this market. All right, so one great app that I think everyone should have, no matter what, guys, is my FX hours. It will tell you what the London timing. It will also tell you the timing of the New York, Tokyo, Sydney, even Frankfurt. It's pretty amazing app, guys. And I think the next app that everyone should have it, no matter what. Even if you disagree with all the analysis that I'm going to be doing today, you need to have my FX books. Download it. Everything that I'm going to be telling you today on our pre-week and tomorrow on our full analysis video. And the only way that you're going to be able to see the video is only if you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, then you don't see it. All right. So please, 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 guys, always check the news on every trade you do. Today, this week, everything is subject to change based on the news that are going to be releasing. Remember, the whole nation is going through, I would say the whole world is going through a coronavirus situation. So it's very intense and things can, go south any second. So make sure you check the news. This is the time where you need to give credit to my FX book, okay, if you don't have it. So make sure you also had that. So today we're gonna go ahead and start with our GBP USD. Look at what I have for this one, guys. This week we're gonna be doing our analysis as we go, live, real time, right? So in this particular one, I'm using, what time frame do you think I'm using here, guys? Can you see that time frame? Because this is very important. This is very, very important for you to know why am I using 4 hours. It's one of my favorite one time frame that I love to use. So now my opinion to you on this particular pair here is the market is, what do you think is doing on this particular one? I'm just going back and forth, so you're trying to see if I can confuse you so you can understand the whole situation. All right, but look at here, 4 hours. This is what I'm looking for this week, guys. I'm looking for 1 or 2 more candles before the market really do a small pullback, but it's just getting ready. So I would say 1 or 2 more candles before the market retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. Then we're gonna come back on Wednesday. We're gonna on Wednesday at 6 p.m. we're gonna come back. Hopefully the internet will not go off, because last video that we did, something went on with YouTube that my system crashed, so I couldn't get it. I couldn't get it to record it properly. Plus the MT4 was acting up. So what I'm expecting for this week, guys, is I'm expecting to still see more candles dropping down and then retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. All right. If you guys have any question, make sure you drop that comment below, and I will be more than happy to help you out and make you understand. So, but you can always come with me. Send me a private message, and we can wrestle any of your questions if I can answer it. Okay. All right, let's move on. We're gonna go ahead and analyze Euro-USD. Remember, we are analyzing only 3 pairs this week. We are analyzing Euro-USD, GBP-USD, and AUD-USD. All right. So what I'm expecting to see for this particular pair here is I'm expecting to see more formation of the trade. So I'm looking to see 1 or 2 more candle or 3 more candle. Then the market is gonna retest R38 to R23 Fibonacci line. That is my analysis for Euro-USD. What will be your analysis? I don't know, but pay attention why the market is behaving as a bearish market. Clearly, is giving us a triple arrow bearish market. Look at how amazing the triple arrow is, guys. Triple arrow is clearly telling us, yes, the market is dropping down. And it's exactly doing what it's supposed to do. Look at what happened here when the triple arrow came in as a bullish. Triple arrow came out bullish. Then the market took where? It took a bullish trend. That's simple. And then here, triple arrow take a bearish trend. It's not hard. Really, guys, this is not hard. I don't know if you guys struggling in some area or not, but I remember, I mean, you can review this video and rewatch it. And I mean, hopefully we're gonna come back on Wednesday. I'm gonna make tomorrow's video more interesting, guys. So I will be trying a lot of new styles that I do on my when I do my analysis. So make sure you subscribe to that one, and most likely I will not drop it on the chat room. I just want to see if you guys really come in and see it, because this is the only way you're gonna be learning. So I will not drop it on the channel as always, but you can by subscribing, that's the only way that I really know that you're getting the proper education. All right, sometimes we have to go offline so everyone can understand how these things works. All right, let's go to our next pair, and hopefully everything makes sense to you. So in here we have our AUD versus our US dollar, right? The Australian dollar versus the USD. Now, in this particular pair here, look at the time frame I'm using once again. It's clearly in 4 hours. If you pay attention here, let me show you another trick here. Look at here. I use 4 hours there. Then I use 4 hours here. Look, it's 4 hours all over the place. Look at here, guys. See 4 hours there and there as well? So, I mean, it is what it is. Because sometimes people say, Irvin, I don't understand about how 4 hours work. Well, I use my rules. I use a very religiously rules for trading. If my rules don't apply, I will not take any trade. I don't care how sexy. I don't care who will be telling you what the market is going to be doing. If my rules don't apply, I'm out of the game. I will wish you good luck on whatever strategy you're doing, but my style is my style. All right, so what am I expecting to see for this coming week? That's the question, right? So to be honest, I'm still looking for 1 or 2 more candles before the market really does the small retracement, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. What do you think it's going to do? Because so far, that is what I have, right? So now let's go back here. See here, we're coming down, and then we're going to be looking, going bullish market. Remember, but this is just a small, in my opinion, it's just a small pullback, guys. Because, I mean, the market is still trending down. To be honest, since we're going through this coronavirus stuff, the market can still drop crazily. What do you think it will? It may continue going down. So, but that is why my analysis looks for this particular pair. So that's what I always say. Please, always check for the news. No matter what I say or anyone says, your priority job is to look what the news are going to be doing for this coming week. Very intensive week, in my opinion. Don't trade if you don't have to. Just pay attention. Look at the analysis that I do and see if it can make sense, and just, you know, stay on that route. But this is not the right time where you need to be trading. Just learn from many other people's mistakes. All right. So let me go over to the rest of the pair that I'm gonna be dropping off tomorrow on my private session. It's gonna be on gold. We're gonna be also analyzing on USD JPY, GBP JPY, NCD USD, CHF JPY, GBP NCD, AUD Canadian, GBP Canadian, Euro NCD, AUD CHF, and we're gonna be analyzing USD Swiss francs. Now let me show you guys how you guys gonna be checking the news, because I'm very concerned. To be honest, I really care about you guys, and I don't want you guys to mess up. In my opinion, everyone needs to learn how to grab nice pips. So I don't know. You guys want me to show you or not? If you want me to show you, then I will be more than happy to do so. All right, let me go there. Let me bring my Google first and show you how to do it, because I think I made a video the other day. So this is what you do, guys. So basically what you do is you go to Google, right, and then type my FX book. Once you go there, click where it says on the first link, my FX book, click on it. Then from here, you're gonna go where it says home. Go where it says economic calendar, click where it says economic calendar. Then you're gonna have all your news that are coming. By the way, how I filter mine is pretty neat. So go where it says more, right? Come on. Go where it says more and only highlight what it says high impact and medium impact. I really don't pay attention what the low impact has, neither the no impact. And then there are some symbols on it. If you don't want to see none of those, you can unhighlight it, whatever you want to do. Then make sure you save it. Okay, that is number one. Then that's it, basically. Oops, I don't know what I did here. And then the next thing you do is you go back to your let me click here one more time. Let me save it one more time. All right, so once you save it, it will give you, looking for Sunday. It looks like there's news coming in Monday as well, and you can show more. It has all the news for Tuesday. Look at how many high impact is gonna be on a lot of USD. So be careful, please be careful, guys. This is the best education you can ever get for this week. A lot of heavy news are coming in this next week. Look at this. On Wednesday, we got very intensive week. Look at on Thursday, very super intensive week. Let's check it on Friday. Look at that. Even Friday, we still had the Canadian having, with the US dollar, having very intense news. So it's very scary, guys. In my opinion, is learn your skills, master your skill. Find someone that can help you. Find someone, I don't know, I mean, you can send me a message if you want, but it's find someone that can help you out, guys. But don't blow your account just because you want to, man. It's just respect this business. Business is very helpful if you know how to use it. Okay, so that's all I have, guys. So I really want to, hopefully this will help you. Please go back to my FX book and see if it can help you out. Okay, because I mean, everyone needs to be on the same boat. I don't want you to keep blowing your account for no reason. But remember, you can do whatever you want. All right, guys. Thank you again. Appreciate it.